this trip onto high ground today, so we just sat up here, just got the usual setup running, just silver rod in the air, about 12-13 foot off the ground, just using 100 watts of my little Midland there, Rog.
Yeah, Roger on that, yeah. Okay, Chris, I say you're working well there. We've come down into the South Wales there. I'm not sure if Andy's back with us there, the Golf Bravo 30. Andy, you back with us and go for Chris? Okay, that's Andy's not out there. Okay, let's see who else we've got, Chris. Anybody else got Bedfordshire in the radio? Oh, yeah. Yeah, go for him. Yeah, the Hawk. Copy this windsurfer. Fox Baker 162.
Yeah, Roger there, windsurfer, not a problem there, mate. This is the Hawk returning there. Yeah, we got you no signal, but a radio 4 there, mate. Radio 4, a little bit of interference, but not a problem there, mate. Back to you.
Yeah, no problem at all, mate. We got me 55 this way, 51555, and that personal replay is Chris Kilo Romeo English, yeah, just like yourself.
Roger, not a problem. I spell mine a bit differently. Mine's with the CHRIS. So, yeah, not a problem there, Chris. I'll wish you 73s, mate, and we'll catch up, no doubt, another day, another way. Back to you there, Sid. Yeah, 73s, mate. Back to you, Sid.
Yeah, okay. Not sure if Andy's got you there up there in Wing Green, Shaftesbury. Andy, you got Chris up on in Bedfordshire there. Yeah, okay. I see there's a QSK out there. Just check if anyone else has got Chris down in Bedfordshire before we move on there. Anybody else got Bedfordshire? Yeah, it's PJ, Oxford. I've got Chris on signal 1 radio side. Okay, I had someone out there very weak. I'm not sure who that one was. Okay, we're opening up any stations on the side. The QSK come in. This is Mickey Tripping with John Mariachi on high ground. Standing by. Going in, John. Comes your blowing smoke this way. You sure you